Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Grackle from Black Bird Blades. Let's check it out. Before I pick these knives up, I would love to give a shout out to my anchor crew. Thank you so much for your support and dedication to this channel. I couldn't do this without you, so thank you. Alright, first up, we're going to look at the Grackle folder. I am not sure how I missed the release of this blade. I am happy that I have it in my hand now. This is super cool. I think what strikes me right away about this knife is its absolute sinister look with the two-tone blade. And I really like the double X on here. And I don't know if that's intentional, being a double X, or if it's crossroads or whatever it is. But it definitely adds traction on the handle when you're holding it. I really dig the two-tone look with the DLC and then the belt satin finish. It just makes it look mean. In the hand, it fits me great. I have a large size hand, and as you can see, you have room for extra large or even double extra large sized hands. The action right out of the box is smooth as butter. Yeah, awesome. Specs on the folder: we have an overall length of 7.5 inches, a blade length of 3.25 inches, a handle length of 4.25 inches, a blade thickness of 13 thousandths, a handle thickness of a 1/2 inch, a handle thickness with pocket clip of 0.64 inches, an overall weight of 3.6 ounces. The blade is constructed of MagnaCut with a hardness of 63 HRC. That's crazy. It is a drop point style blade, DLC coated, and then belt satin finished, giving it an aggressive two-tone look. It has dual fullers, one on each side, and the generous thumb hole. Man, that's good looking. The handle is constructed of solid titanium with weight relief cuts on the inside. For traction, the titanium has 2 X's milled into each side of the scale. Your action is a frame lock with hardened steel insert. And I'm saying that's close to a 50% lockup. That's big time. The pocket clip is constructed of titanium, and it is a right-hand tip-up carry only. There is an ample amount of jimping on the blade, and the X's milled into the titanium scales also provide a good amount of jimping. And then, the newly released Grackle fixed blade. I didn't even know this was coming out, so when I found out about both of these was the day that these were released. So I need to pay more attention to my Instagram and these other channels, because here I am falling behind on everything. One of the things you'll notice about this is its nice compact size, which definitely is great for an EDC belt knife type carry. That's why I picked it up. I want to be able to carry more of this style of fixed blade on a daily basis. The Grackle comes in several different versions. This version comes with titanium scales and an extra set of G10 scales in black. Then the fancy version comes with titanium scales with 2 different types of carbon fiber inlay. I wanted to get this version because I wanted to have some special pattern lasered into the scales here. But I can't leave anything alone either, so immediately I anodized these into a dark bronze just to give it a little pop. This thing melts into your hand as soon as you hold it. It just fits. For those of you with extra large hands, this one isn't meant to fill out your hand. This one is meant to go into your belt and disappear, giving you a low profile carry. It just feels natural. I really dig the thumb ramp on it. Not too bitey, not too soft. It's kind of like the porridge. Just right. What strikes me about this one is the full stone wash, and I think that's perfect for an everyday carry. Specs on the fixed blade: we have an overall length of 6.75 inches, a blade length of 3.28 inches, a cutting edge of 3.28 inches, a handle length of 3.5 inches, a blade thickness of 10 thousandths, a handle thickness of 0.47 inches, an overall weight of 3.06 ounces, or 4.67 ounces in the sheath. The sheath weight itself is 1.6 ounces. The fixie is also constructed of magnet cut, and although I do not know the HRC at the time of this video, I will link it in afterwards. I would imagine it's around the same of the 63 HRC. It as well is a drop point with a generous thumb ramp, and it is finished in a beautiful, attractive stone wash throughout the knife. The fixie, as I stated previously, comes with weight-relieved titanium scales or G10 scales. Here is the sheath. Very good. I like the water drain hole that's added to it. Yep, looks good. Retention. Zero movement on this sheath. I like when a Kydex sheath can pop off like that. Awesome. Here are the black G10 scales for proof of life. The fixie also comes in this rugged nylon carrying case. Knife was here, extra scales are here, Black Bird sticker here. And the folder comes in this beautiful black box with laser cut foam.
Size comparisons.
First up is the Knoll Knives Ghoul. And as you can see, the Ghoul is right in between the Grackle folder and the Grackle fixed. Next up is the Quiet Carry 9. Huge shout out to Sammy DeWald for the beautiful Quiet Carry. I've been looking for this one for a while. And as you can see here, the 9 is roughly the same size as the Grackle, with the Grackle just being a hair length longer. And the 9 is quite a bit larger than the Grackle fixed. Up next, we have the Kaiser Knives Muskrat, designed by Derek Sharon. And as you can see here, it is quite a bit smaller than both the Grackle folder and the fixed blade Grackle. And last but not least is the Chavez Knives Blue Label Redemption Street. The street is right in between both the Grackle fixed and the folder. Sweet. This is how the Grackle looks in the pocket. This is how the fixie looks inside your pants. Giggity. Final thoughts and impressions on the Grackles? With a folder, I mean, this is just a truly magnificent folder. From its stunning good looks to titanium handle to two-tone blade, I mean, everything about it was well thought out, and it is awesome. This one definitely has earned a forever spot in my EDC collection and rotation. Good job, Vince. This thing is awesome. And for the Grackle fixed, I love the size, I love the weight, I love the fact that you offer different handle options depending on how the person wants to carry this knife and different budget ranges. That's pretty awesome forward thinking. It's really cool that you would offer the ability to have different choices like that. There is no doubt in my mind that this is a permanent keeper and will definitely enter my belt fixie rotation. What should I have laser engraved onto the handles? Throw me some ideas in the comments. Whatever it is, it's going to be cool. Thank you so much for checking out the Grackles with me here today. Let me know in the comments, which one do you like, or would you like to get them both? If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, shameless plug for my Anchor crew. If you'd like to become a channel member, you get first access to videos, members-only videos, and members-only giveaways. It's $3.99 a month, and it helps keep this dream alive. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and have a good one.